We love researching and exploring destinations all over the world, and we also love sharing all the information and tips we gather along the way. On our channel, you'll find videos we've created that are packed with tips and information we've gathered from our most recent travels. You'll also find guides for popular destinations we visited and tips we use to save money and have more fun. That's why we say our tips come from our trips. We have many more adventures planned, and we try to add new content regularly. So be sure to subscribe to our channel.
It's free!
And turn on notifications. And if one of our videos helped you enjoy your travels, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment.